All right, it seems that I have put it off long enough. It's time to get back to the basics, back to the beginning, back to my origin, back to where I started, back to the movement style thing. So I'm going to be um, kind of portioning out or devising a way that it is for the average person to navigate fitness exercise and what the purpose of the exercise and fitness is. What does this mean? What are the prerequisites to everything? Why do we do these things? What is the purpose of them really? And to do this, we have to do it from a way of knowing that we're doing things for restoration purposes only. And in restoring the body, it perpetuates health. That is the goal of it. All actions should resemble this, therefore, always perpetuating health. Generally, you do things kind of reactively. So you're doing it to prove to yourself that the opposite wasn't true. I'm saying that I feel weak, so therefore I'm going to go to the gym and get strong because I feel that I'm weak. One is more of a vision of yourself, and then you make that a physical action. The physical action does not solve the kind of mental thinking of things, the stress or the impact of feeling weak. It's not quite the same thing, although it can bring about some restorative properties if we kind of only view it as the aspect of becoming physically stronger, therefore not being weak. We miss the restoration, the wholeness, the completeness of the whole journey of that thing, and we're just seeking it for the end outcome, which is not really ever going to give us what it is that we actually are looking for. That just happens to be the truth. And so, in this way of thinking of natural health, restoring the body, of recuperating what we already have, to fully realizing what it is that is within us, if we take an example of how the human body works, I don't know how much more we can evolve in a way that if you look at every kind of athlete, if you look at every kind of adventurer, if you look at every kind of artist, any kind of designer, any kind of builder, any kind of human doing a creative or expressive or a pioneering thing, we see all the things that the body is capable of. We all are human, so we all have this capacity within ourselves to do this. As soon as we decide to devote ourselves to one way of kind of seeing things and doing things and pursuing life, we're capable of really great things. The idea is that we don't ever really quite acknowledge the things that we already have within ourselves. Therefore, we move through life in a way of kind of half fullness. And because of this, we kind of miss our calling quite often and can, without mentorship or without leadership or without direction, we can get lost in the kind of river of life, the ocean of things, the emotions of it all, and not quite ever see our full potential. So, whew, that was a mouthful. Going back to my main point, so we're going to be going through the basics of understanding exercise in a way of restoration, in a way of kind of bringing the body back into itself, bringing the person back into themselves, so they can be the main actor in their show of life, essentially. And they're going to be a lot of clearing away of old thoughts and bringing back some new things and bring back even older thoughts from history and all this kind of stuff. So stay tuned. It's going to be lots of fun. It's going to be kind of fulfilling in a way that you know what direction to take your health in and what you need from health, what you need from your environment, what you need from your support. It's going to be some really great and positive things. So hopefully you guys enjoy this guide to understanding yourself from a physical motion action standpoint.